Are you missing out on free money?
The new Minnesota child tax credit is the highest in the nation. An estimated 300,000 Minnesotans are eligible for the credit with no limit on the number of children. The state is trying to get the word out before you file your taxes. Here's Esme Murphy.
Outside a discount grocery store in St. Paul, we met Victoria Gustafson, who had heard little about the child tax credit. It's $17.50 per child. Okay. How many children do you have?
I have 5 children. So it's a big deal to me if something like that is going around. Yeah.
Do you think you might qualify?
I possibly would, yeah. It's something obviously I'm looking into. These
are the basic income guidelines. A single filer with one child making less than $29,500 would get a $1,750 tax credit. So would a two-parent family making less than $35,000. But the income cutoffs are not absolute. You can make more money, you'll just get less of a credit. In order to qualify, you have to file your taxes. You've got to file that 1040 form for the federal government. You've got to file your state income tax form. And you also have to file 2 additional documents from the Minnesota Department of Revenue. The Minnesota Department of Revenue says tax preparers across the state, including the 170 free ones, have these forms and will be able to help you with them. Governor Tim Walz was at Prepare and Prosper, one of those free tax preparation sites in St. Paul, to get the word out.
That's how we get to reducing childhood poverty in Minnesota by 1/3. And if this works right, by the end of the year, Minnesota should have the lowest childhood poverty rates in the entire country.
Volunteer tax preparer Mark Nolan says one client who qualified couldn't believe it.
Well, you're going to get this much back this week, and she's just like, huh? What just happened here?
it would make a lot of difference, I think.
As for Victoria, our mother of 5, if she qualifies for the maximum per child credit, she'd get $8,750. In St. Paul, Esme Murphy, WCCO News.
These tax credits are permanent, so those who qualify will get them again as long as they continue to meet the income qualifications and their kids are under the age of 18.